Hi guys, I'm Joel Hoya and thank you again for watching Lifestyle on Wheels and Motorcycle News. Kailan lang nagpunta kami sa Honda Arrancada doon po sa may Caloocan. This is just right after launching the game changer Honda Click 125i at yung 150i nila sa media at sa public syempre. Pinalabas din po sa TV noong time show at doon po sa PBA Governor's Cup last September 23. Ang Honda Philippines of course unveiled them to the motoring public at the Honda Arrancada in Caloocan. So ang daming nakapanood. The main event partner, HPI, also spearheaded several activities geared towards the riders like test rides and learn to ride. And as part of their season-long partnership with PBA, they also held a basketball shootout and meet and greet with their favorite PBA stars, Arwin Santos and Marshall Lassiter. Sila yung mga nakita natin doon. The day was capped with a grand celebration filled with entertainment as popular OPM band Six Cycle Mind ay nagbigay ng festivities lalo na sa crowd. Riders also got to cheer for their representatives during Biker Babes segment. Wow, ang gaganda po ng mga bebot doon. Now na well-received na ng local riders ang mga motor na to, Honda Philippines aims to continuously collaborate with riding communities to introduce the latest innovations and reach out with engaging activities in the case of their all-new Click series. To prove to be the game changer, well, they have to do this. Okay guys, yun po nangyari sa Honda Arrancada sa may Caloocan. Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video namin to, just click that like button, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe now to our channel. Pindutin niyo rin yung bell icon para lagi kayong updated. And of course, meron kaming Instagram and Facebook. Just look for Lifestyle on Wheels and Motorcycle News. And pagdating naman po sa mga past episode, visit our website www.motorcyclenews.com. If you want also to have your own say, your comments and suggestions, please email us at lifestyleonwheels.jadmedia@gmail.com. Okay guys, again, I'm Joel Hoya, I'm your host, and I'll be seeing you again next time in our show here in Lifestyle on Wheels and Motorcycle News. See you again guys.